welcome to Organic Odin's Day, actually Wednesday, on Curly Carbocation. If you like short form chemical engineering and chemistry content, please subscribe and stay tuned. Before the semester begins, let's talk about how you need to approach organic chemistry. General chemistry is a lot of algebra, but organic chemistry is a lot of 3D shapes. And your job is to perceive the likely behavior because of the 3D shape. Now you are changing your thought process from this will happen, this is what happens, to this will probably happen, this likely will happen. And the answers feel less like yes and no and more like, maybe? An electrical engineering friend of mine had a friend who was majoring in physics, and that person had to take organic chemistry, and he was wondering why. Because organic chemistry is basically quantum physics without the quantum physics math. And we just have a greater understanding of carbons and hydrogens because it's just so abundant in the world. A lot of you are going to hear quantum physics and geometry and think, I'm gonna die, I can never pass this class. And it's supposed to be hard. It is a GPA killer, and it killed my GPA several times. But on the other side of this, you will be able to look at nearly anything and perceive how they will react together. And to the people who say like, no, that never happened in organic chemistry, you never paid attention because you were on Chegg all the time. I worked my butt off in that class, and of course my GPA fell as a result, but now I have the knowledge totally ingrained in my soul. All organic reactions are typically a 1-to-1 ratio between reactants and products, because at this point there are bigger fish to fry than balancing an equation. Most importantly, when it comes to organic chemistry, this will be the great divide amongst people. So choose your friends and your study group, like your grades, like your future, like your GPA absolutely depends on it. In organic chemistry, you will learn something called proton NMR, which allows you to identify a carbon based off of its neighboring carbon's hydrogens. So it's not just your friend group or the people that you interact with, but their friends as well that are affecting you. And I can tell you from my experience that my grades dropped when I was around people that were angry, depressed, and didn't like themselves at all whatsoever. But when I was around motivated people who wanted to do better with their lives, I did better with myself as well. So at this point, do not feel sorry for the person who's always feeling sorry for themselves. Your grade will suffer as a result of you feeling sorry for that person. And as much of a GPA killer as organic chemistry is, you literally don't have the time to feel sorry for someone. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to share this with an organic chemistry student who's about to take this fall. I know that I would have needed it. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.